Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about GoBrunch. It is a browser-based platform that lets you create immersive virtual spaces. Think of it as Zoom meets a virtual venue, where your audience can interact, move around, and engage in a way that feels more human. No downloads, no time limits, and a lot more personality than standard video calls. So let's break down what makes GoBrunch special. Custom virtual rooms. One of the standout features is customization. You can pick from dozens of templates, like classrooms, auditoriums, or co-working spaces, or even design your own. Each room feels unique, so instead of staring at boring tiles, your audience feels like they're actually part of an event. Engagement tools. GoBrunch isn't just about video feeds. You can add polls, breakout rooms, media playback, and even fun reactions. Attendees can choose seats, move around, and interact, which keeps energy levels high and prevents the dreaded Zoom fatigue. Branding and control. For professionals and businesses, branding is simple. Add your logo, colors, and even use a custom URL. Whether you're running webinars, online classes, or team workshops, your space reflects your identity, not just another generic meeting link. Unlimited use, no downloads. Everything runs in the browser. That means no complicated installs, no app updates, and no time limits on your sessions. Just send a link and people can join instantly. It's smooth, quick, and beginner-friendly. Here's where it gets really interesting. Most webinar and virtual event platforms charge monthly, often $30, $50, or even more per user. With this GoBrunch Lifetime Deal on AppSumo, you pay once and keep it forever. That's a huge saving, especially if you host events regularly. So if you've been looking for a way to make your online meetings and events more engaging while saving money on subscription fees, GoBrunch is worth a serious look. I'll drop the link to the lifetime deal in the description below. Check it out before it's gone.